Let's log in using the HOD credentials. The HOD, or head of department, may be the finance head or any department lead responsible for overseeing compliance activities. Once logged in, the dashboard will open, providing an overview of all modules. To proceed, click on Regulatory Obligations. Here, you can view the compliance status displayed in a pie chart format. Since the chart is fully green, it indicates that there are no pending tasks at the moment. Below, you will find the list of pending and completed tasks. To view more details, simply click on the respective task head. Next, you will see the compliance status drop-down. Here, you can view the task details along with the compliance reference PDF for your review. In the task reference drop-down, you can view the task name, a brief task description, and the due date. Under the task assignment drop-down, you can see the names of the assigned owner and reviewer. In the task completion drop-down, you can view the current status of the task, along with the owner and reviewer comments and the date of completion. You can also review the documents shared for verification purposes. In the Task Audit drop-down, you can view the complete history of task activities. In case a task is not reviewed or completed within the expected timeline, an automated escalation email is triggered to the HOD prior to the due date. With this, the HOD can effectively monitor and ensure complete compliance.